Today I'm going to show you the details and design of my oil burner and atomiser. The spray jet, as you'll have seen before, comes out of the atomiser here, and that actually sort of comes out. Half of it goes above this the bottom plate, and the other half swirls around in here and creates a turbulence. Don't know quite what's happening, but that works incredibly well. If we can see, the centre of the atomiser is smack on line with the top of the internal plate. Right, the dimensions, the front here is 25mm by 40mm thereabouts. It's parallel through to this point here, so that point is actually 55mm from the front, and the whole thing measures, well, a little bit under 90mm long. Let's get that a better angle. And 70 deep. So it's a whistle shape. So the theory is the jet's coming in, swirling round, and continues curling round and exit at the front here. In order to get enough air in there and get the stream of oil in there, I've got a slot in, left it attached at the bottom, and as you can see, I just folded that down a little bit to support the injector. Right, I'm going to take the injector to bits now and show you what that's like. It's a two-piece construction. Fortunately, I've got a little lathe to make my life a bit easier, but in essence, two pieces. There's the body and the needle, I suppose you'd call it, down the middle. This is a piece of 10mm studding I've used. Measures 75mm long. There's a 2.5mm hole in the front, and a 5mm hole up the back here. So that goes through to approximately there. So I've turned the back end down to fit the pneumatic pipe which I'm using. That squeezes on there quite nicely and holds on well. The front I've turned down because when that's inside there, oil is coming through the pneumatic fitting here, and it just needs a bit of space to be able to come around to the front. So on the front of this is a taper, as you can see. Well, I didn't do any particular taper, but quite a steep one, as you can see. Inside the main body here, I've drilled through 5mm all the way through. I shaped the front because that seemed like the right thing to do. There's I've sharpened up an 8mm drill to more of a sharper angle, than normal. So I've gone through with that to quite near the front there. So there's about 8mm of 5mm hole up the front. And then I've tapped that out 10mm. And of course that's just a lock nut there to position things. I'm using a small compressor, no reservoir, it's a paint spraying compressor. Not a lot of power and output, but that seemed to work a treat. So I'm now going to show you the the atomiser. There we go. In the water. Open up the screw, and there you have it. Right.